I'm going to show you how to use your tablet or mobile phone as a second screen connected to your laptop. Okay, good. So first I'll download Space Desk. Okay, so you type Space Desk. So this is it. Okay, then you click on it, you wait till it loads. And there we have it. So you download the version. Okay, good. So driver available for Windows 11 and then Windows 10. Okay, so desktop extension, display monitor. All right, good. So I can click on this one to download. We wait while it loads and then we download the version that we want. Okay, so for Windows 10 or 11 with 64-bit architecture, this is what I'm going to download. Okay, good. Okay, so I'm just scrolling down for you to see how the website looks like. Good, so it is still loading. Okay, so I have downloaded the file. I already have it, so there's no need for me to download it again. So I'll open my downloads folder. So this is it. Okay, I'll double click and then choose next. I accept the license agreement, choose next, then add an exception. Yeah, you have to, then next, and then install. So they're saying that I have an earlier version, continue and update. So yes, I choose yes to update it, and then yes. So close and then attempt to yeah, I'll do that. So it is shutting it down, removing all shortcuts. Yeah. So while it is doing that, I'll go to my tablet. Okay, then I go to Play Store and then I download the Space Desk. So sorry, the typo. Okay, so Space Desk. Okay, I already have it, but it is disabled, so I'll choose enable, then I'll open it. All right, good. So you see that I already have a connection here. For the purpose of the video, I'll just leave the connection like that. Now let me come back to my laptop. It is done, so I'll click on finish, and I'll minimize this, and then I'll type Space Desk driver console. So I'll open this one. Okay, so it is opened. Now when it is done, you click on USB, or you go to connections and then choose USB, and then make sure that USB is on. Okay, because you're going to use USB for the connection. All right, if you are using Android, you see that we have USB cable Android here, but it is not enabled, so I have to enable this one. Good. Now USB cable for iOS has some issues, so I'll do a video about that, but for now we are only focused on Android, so I'll check this one and then I'll come here. Now USB for Android is enabled, but I don't have any cable connected. All right, so I'll now connect my USB cable to my laptop. All right, so my laptop has Type C, and then my tablet also has Type C. All right? So I'm going to connect it now. Connected, and I'm going to connect my tablet. So ouch. So let me use my other. All right, so I have connected it. All right, now when I connected the cable, this is what I got. Okay, this is what I got on my tablet. Okay, and then this is what I got on my laptop. So to disable or enable space disk, USB or network connections, use space disk driver console. So I want to use my tablet as a second screen, so I'll just choose OK. Well, this is my own tablet, so I can say that always open space disk when USB space disk is connected. Right, but well, in case I want to transfer files, it's going to be a lot of issues, so I'll just forgo this one and then choose OK. Now when I choose OK, you realize that now the screen flashes. Okay, yeah, so you see that whatever I have on my laptop is whatever shows on the tablet. Okay, so this is how you connect it. Okay, so now let me do the configuration here and then extend the display. So I have Nahimic connected. It's an audio, software on the machine, so don't worry about that. Now if I want to extend the display, I'll just press Windows key plus P, and then you see that duplicate is here. Now it's at the duplicate mode. Okay, that is why I have the same thing showing on my laptop and then on the tablet. Now I'll choose extend to extend the display. All right, good. So now when I move the mouse, you see that I have the mouse here. Now you see when I move the mouse to this side, it comes here, but this is not how it's supposed to be. All right, so I'll go to settings. All right, so I'll click here and go to settings, and then in settings I'll go to system. All right, and then I'll go to display. Good. Now you see it is at the tablet is at the left side, but the display here is at the right. Okay, so I'll just move this one here and then I will apply. Good. Now when I move this mouse here, it should come here. You see, good. Now I'll have to fix the resolution of this screen because you see there's a part that's blank. Okay, so I'll go and then scroll down and then choose the display resolution for the second one. That's my tablet, and then I will click here and then choose 1340 by 800. Good. Now I realize that it has totally filled the screen, so now I'll choose keep changes and then I can move stuff in between it. So I have my tablet as the second screen and then my laptop, so making things work faster and easier. So yeah, see, good. Now let me open something like YouTube. Okay, so I can watch YouTube here on my tablet. Oh, income. Good, and then I can do stuff here. Okay, good. So now, so I have 3 videos here. Make sure you watch it. Good. I'll upload this one too. Alright, so this is how you use your tablet or your mobile phone as a second screen. Alright, good. Now this video It's being shot on a Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. I'll be doing a review on that soon. Stay tuned. Bye.